Ancient India, c. 2500 BCE, 500 BCE, saw the rise of the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban civilizations, located in present-day Pakistan and northwest India. Cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro had advanced drainage systems and urban planning. During the Vedic period, c. 1500, 500 BCE, Indo-Aryans migrated into India and composed the Vedas, the oldest sacred texts of Hinduism. Society was organized into varnas, or social classes, and early forms of Hindu philosophy developed. Classical India, c. 500 BC, 1200 C, was marked by the Maurya Empire, founded by Chandragupta Maurya and expanded under Ashoka the Great, who embraced Buddhism and spread across Asia. The Gupta Empire, Karus 550 C, is considered the golden age of India, with advances in science, mathematics, such as the concept of zero, astronomy, literature, and art. Hindu culture flourished, and classical Sanskrit literature was written. In medieval India, c. 1200, 1700 CE, the Delhi Sultanate 1206-1526 saw Muslim rulers from Central Asia establish rule in northern India, introducing Persian culture, architecture, and Islam. The Mughal Empire 1526-1857, founded by Babur, reached its height under Akbar the Great, known for religious tolerance and administrative reforms. This period saw the construction of famous monuments like the Taj Mahal under Shah Jahan and a blending of Hindu and Muslim cultures in art, food, and governance. Colonial India 1757-1947 began with the British East India Company taking control after the Battle of Plassey in 1757, exploiting India's resources and establishing dominance through treaties, wars, and trade. The British Raj 1858-1947 followed the 1857 rebellion, with the British Crown taking direct control, and India became the jewel in the crown of the British Empire. Widespread resistance grew, led by figures like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhas Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Bhagat Singh. Gandhi's non-violent resistance, known as Satyagraha, became a global model for civil rights. In modern India, 1947 present, the country gained independence on August 1547, but partition led to the creation of Pakistan, causing massive communal violence and migration. The Republic of India was established as a sovereign democratic republic with a constitution on January 26, 1950, with Jawaharlal Nehru as the first Prime Minister. India has developed as a diverse, secular democracy, achieving milestones in space exploration, economic growth, IT leadership, and cultural exports like Bollywood. Despite facing challenges such as poverty, corruption, and regional conflicts, India remains one of the world's largest and most influential nations,